Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to exit 321 of Dubai Internet Metro Station. Ayan, another day of exploring. Ilang araw na lang guys. Na kinakailangan nating i-rush. So, bless me, oh Lord. Ayan. Exit 2. Taxi and bus. City. Ayan siya guys, oh. Dubai Internet City. Side Road South. Ayan siya guys. So wait a minute. So we need to be?
And last year I joined my own.
Ayan, dito tayo. Parang ang layo naman ang bus station. Ayan po ang buhay OFW. Hindi po siya ganun kadali. Explore lang. At huwag panghihinaan ng loob.